Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're riding Rise of the Resistance at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Did you get your head on something? Okay.
How many today? 4. Perfect. Come right on in.
Right this way, recruits. Make sure you move all the way forward. There's no need to make a line. Just fill in as much space as possible. Be heading this way over here. Right this way, recruits. No need to make a line. Okay? Be heading this way over here.
Yeah, them getting tied up on it.
Or at least it was hurt.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
I got your orders, ready to move.
Nice job, guys. Let's get down here.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Sequence on Deck 3. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. I am getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, Jack.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. You up! You up! Red 2, Blue 5, we got to clear a path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump on the right.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get in front and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention, Resistance sympathizers! Your ship is now under the control of the First Order. You're to vacate this pitiful craft and proceed to interrogation at once. Everybody off the ship, quickly! Off the ship! Quickly! Haven't gone all day. I'll know the location of your base, mark my words.
What's our time? This is at 7.5 minutes. Yeah. So from the moment we went into that room, I started
Just not so. Yeah.
How many again you? 4. You'll make a new line right next to them. Single file.
4 and 1. Send over here, single file. How many are your unit? 4. Step up here. You will follow me to your interrogation cell. We will start with the line closest to the wall, then you will follow swiftly behind them. Follow me. Be mindful of the colors of which you're standing on. Those are the colors of which you will be interrogated by. Blue, red, and orange. Blue, you will enter the cell first, over here. Followed by red. All the way down.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Alright, well, we're the Resistance. We're here to rescue you. Let's go. Silver and orange to the right, blue and red to the left. Silver and orange to the right, blue and red are on the left.
Vic, we have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Paul's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way. Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. The probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on level D.
Fire! If anyone's taking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is way bad. The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This destroyer is about... There's no escape.
escape, you will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, stand for his body.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
You guys made it!
That was insane.
Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are! Fire! The escape pods just follow us! Follow us now! Alright. No, not! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Are we recording? Oh, yeah. So we came to Hollywood Studios this morning to ride Rise of the Resistance. This is the new ride. We got here pretty early. There were probably a few thousand people in front of us, but we got to ride it. It was absolutely incredible. 10 out of 10. Also, purple and gold representing LSU because of the SEC championship game. Go Tigers. Headed to the playoff, baby. But man, that ride was just amazing. Just incredible. All parts of it. Integrating the different ride types, the trackless systems, the pre-shows, everything was just, I was blown away. I had high expectations and it blew them away. So, highly recommend if you make it down to Orlando, check that out for sure.